Before we start typing CMD, stop for 1 minute. Most people fail in CMD because they try to memorize commands but they don't understand what CMD really is. So in this video, I will not teach commands like a robot. I will explain CMD like a real place that you can see, imagine and understand. If you understand this idea, every CMD command will become easy. So relax, watch carefully and imagine everything I explain. Let's start with one simple idea. CMD is like walking inside the building. Each folder is a room. Files are items inside the room. You can stand in only one room at a time. All CMD commands are just looking around, going to another room, moving items, cleaning rooms. DIR, look around the room. You are standing inside the room. If you want to know what items are inside, how many things are there, you look around the room. In CMD, DIR does the same thing. When I type DIR, CMD is telling, show me everything inside this room. So whenever you don't know what is here, just type dir. CD commands. Walk into another room. Now you want to enter another room. You don't teleport. You walk through the door. In CMD, walking into a room is done using CD. Example, I want to go to desktop. I type CD desktop. This means go inside the desktop room. Sometimes the door is not visible from where you are standing. So when you type CD desktop, CMD says, I cannot see that room. That is why we first go to the main hall of the house. User profile. Go to main hall. Think of user profile as the main hall of your house. From the main hall you can see desktop, document, download. So I type CD user profile. Now I am in the main hall. Now I type CD desktop. Now the door is visible and I enter the room. CD double dot, this command, go back to previous room. Now you want to go back, you don't jump through the window, you walk back through the door. In CMD, going back is CD double dot. The two dots mean go back to the previous room. Every time you type CD 2 dot, you walk one room back. CLS, clean the floor. After walking and working, the room looks messy. Papers everywhere on the screen. So you clean the floor. In CMD, cleaning the screen is CLS. This cleans what you see but does not remove items from the room. Now you want a new room. MKDIR, build a new room. In CMD, building a room is MKDIR test folder. This create a new empty room. To check, I look around again using dir. You already have a room, but you want to change the name on the door. In CMD, changing name is rename test folder. The room is the same, only the name board changes. Now imagine you want to see the full building map. Tree. See the building map. Which room is inside which room? In CMD, the building map is tree. If I want to see items inside rooms, I use tree/f. You have a book in one room. You make a photocopy of the book and keep it in another room. Copy, make a duplicate item. Original book stays. In CMD, this is copy. Copy means original stays, copy is created. XCOPY, copy a full room. Now you don't want one item, you want to copy the room, all items inside it, that is XCOPY. XCOPY copies full rooms with items. ROBOCOPY, professional moving service. ROBOCOPY is like calling a professional moving company. They move safely, don't break things, continue even if there is a problem. That is why IT engineers use ROBOCOPY. Move. Now you pick the item from one room and put it in another room. The old room becomes empty. That is move. Move means remove from old place and put in new place. Delete. Throw item in dustbin. Permanent. You take an item and throw it in the dustbin outside the house. You cannot get it back easily. That is DEL. DEL. Delete files permanently. RMDIR. Destroy the room. Now you destroy the entire room. Walls, items, everything is gone. That is RMDIR. RMDIR/S means destroy room with everything inside. Now stop for a second and think. Did you notice something? CMD is not difficult. It is just rooms, doors and items. If you understand where you are standing, where you want to go, what you want to move, copy or delete, then CMD becomes logical, not scary. In the next videos, we will practice these commands again and again with real example, so they stay in your mind forever. If this explanation helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel and keep learning step by step. We will fix CMD confusion and command at a time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.